Does GoDaddy make business cards? Yes, GoDaddy offers a business card maker through its online design services in partnership with third-party providers like VistaPrint. You can design custom business cards that match your brand, logo, and style. How to create business cards with GoDaddy. Step 1. Visit GoDaddy's design tools. Go to the GoDaddy Design Services. Search for Business Card Maker or Print Services. Step 2. Choose a business card template. Browse a selection of customizable templates. Pick a design that fits your business style and industry. Step 3. Customize your business card. Enter business details. Add your name, title, company name, phone number, email, and website URL. Upload logo. Use GoDaddy's logo maker or upload your own logo. Choose colors and fonts. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to fit your brand. Step 4. Preview the design. View a mock-up preview of how your business card will look. Make changes if needed. Step 5. Place your order. Choose quantity and finish options: matte, glossy, or premium. Add to cart and proceed to checkout.